That smells good.
Hey!
What?
What are you doing to my cookie?
Did you cook those?
What? What are you doing? Wait, Yellowbird. You can make yourself useful. Get me a knife, cause I kinda have to cut this onion. I don't know why Mario makes me cook weird stuff.
Wait.
Get me a knife.
What are you cooking? What's the onion for?
Do me a favor and get me a knife. It doesn't matter.
Whatever you say, stupid idiot.
Go.
What's that stupid chef even want? Oh yeah, he wants a knife. Where can I even find a knife? Oh my gosh, there so happens to be a knife right behind me. Okay, let's drop this. Okay, guys, so... Alright, I got your stupid knife. Wait. Where'd the cookies go?
Duh! I picked it up because your stupid idiot made a mess with it.
I want the cookies! I'm sorry. Let me help. I'm sorry too. I shouldn't be holding that knife. Are you okay? I'm a murderer. Oh well. Just gonna have to clean it up. Okay, gonna have to bag this up. Come on, boy. Gosh, it's so disgusting. What about people catch me? I put them in this bag. They're gonna think I'm a murderer. Oh my gosh. Smells. Ew. That was disgusting. At least I'm done. I hope no one catches me. What the heck? Oh my gosh, that's probably how Bowser Jr. got the name. Calling me chicken and all. Freaking what? That's what I'm gonna do to their face if they call me chicken again.
Chef, I want some ice cream. I'm hungry. Chef, where are you? Chef. Chef, where are you?
He's gonna find out.
Where are you, Chef?
Oh, hey, Charmander.
Oh, hi, Yellowbird.
What are you doing this evening?
I don't know. I just want ice cream. I'm kind of hungry.
I don't care. But, Charmander, you need to get out of here, because the chef is using the bathroom and he's having a hard time in there. Oh. And he doesn't want you to hear
what
him.
are you cooking? Wait, what? Oh, you're cutting up tomatoes or something?
No, that's spaghetti sauce.
Oh, it's spaghetti sauce.
I don't even know why I used a knife for spaghetti sauce, but you know, man.
Oh, it's kind of stupid, but how come it smells like someone died here?
Oh, whoa, Charmander, look at this onion. It looks really nice, does it?
Yeah, I guess.
Look at those pickles. Those look disgusting.
Well, I don't like pickles. They're disgusting.
No, they're not. Okay, what'd you even want?
I want ice cream. Where's the chef?
Cream? Okay, I'll get it, Charmander. Don't worry.
Yellowbird's acting strange.
No, gonna pop though. The ice cream's probably in here. Got this ice cream. This has got to be the one Charmander likes. I mean, his kinda likes it. Charmander, here you go. Is that what you wanted, cookies and cream? I heard Charmanders really like that.
Heck yeah! Okay, bye, Yellowbird.
I was supposed to serve it.
I want the whole thing. Bye, Yellowbird.
Whatever. Gotta clean this up while someone else comes. Oh my gosh. I'm a little worried they might find out. They're probably gonna think I'm crazy. What am I supposed to say? Like, eventually they're gonna find out the chef's gone. Well, probably for now I'm just gonna have some green popcorn. It tastes like poo-poo. I'm telling Charmander that he made this.
Ooh, Chef Buttsack, make me some food.
Turns out blood's pretty easy to clean up after all.
Wait, blood?
What do you...
It smells like death.
It's a joke. It was just like...
Yellowbird, what are you calling me for?
Oh, yeah, whatever, Mario. Charmander.
Gosh. What, Yellowbird?
Why did you make that green popcorn?
For the last time, Yellowbird. That's not popcorn, that's pickles.
No, that's popcorn!
That's pickles, idiot.
I feel like everyone's ganging on me.
Like, how come it smells like death?
Ow! Ow!
Oh my gosh, I'm calling! I have a perfect idea.
What is it?
I'm gonna call Batman.
Batman. Where's this criminal at?
Oh, he's over here.
Okay, I'm gonna kill him.
They called Batman on me? Oh, heck no!
Kill that criminal.
Check out the bathroom.
Oh my gosh, I saw him! He's going to the bathroom! Batman, get him! Batman, I'm gonna kill him! Hey, criminal! Open the door!
I'll never open the door.
I'm not gonna hurt you, just gonna kill you. Get off.
I'm not gonna open the door for nothing.
I got my rifle, and I'm gonna kill you, you weird chicken guy!
What?
Chicken guy, get out, man, I'm gonna kill you.
How does everyone know about that? Stupid Bowser Jr.
I'm gonna kill you!
I opened the door like a moron.
Yo, what's going on?
Shut up.
Whatever.
Death Star. Come on, Death Star. Help me on this one.
Puck, I'm Batman. I got you trapped. You're gonna die. Gotham City grows on me.
Leave me alone.
Die! Oh, I didn't mean to kill him! What did you do? I didn't want you to kill him! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, Yellow Bird! Oh my gosh, I have to play video games, I guess.
Oh my gosh, why'd you kill him? I didn't want you to kill him, I just want you to put him in jail! Cause he killed Chef Buttsack! You don't talk back to Batman. I'm a big boy. I came from Gotham City and my parents started killing everything. You know what? You don't disrespect me, I'm out of here. Man, people are so weird.